welcome back to my channel. It is your girl lachelletrends, and hey to all of my new subscribers. So in today's video I will be doing a DIY of this faux lock unit that you see me rocking right now. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will have everything linked down in the description box below if you want to get your hands on this hair. And yeah, you guys, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, y'all, so this hair was sent to me from Bobbi Boss. They were kind enough to send over 10 packages of their hair. This is what the package looks like. And it is their new Locs Distressed Butterfly Look Style. I received it in the color 1B, and it is 24 inches. This hair also comes in 18 inches as well. And in each package of hair, there are 12 distressed butterfly locks. And this is what the locks look like. So they're already pre-distressed. And yeah, you guys. And then here is the little crochet loop, so you can just put them in. So yeah, you guys, that is it. And we're going to go ahead and jump into the video of me constructing this unit. Okay, y'all, so I'm just starting off by sewing down the frontal, and it's not a complete frontal, it's like a temple frontal. As you can see on the sides, it just has a edge line instead of a complete frontal unit. So yeah, I'm just going around sewing that down all the way until I get to the other side. Okay, y'all, so now I'm just going to start installing the faux locks, and I'm just going to start at the bottom and work my way up to the top. Okay, y'all, so since this isn't a complete frontal, I went ahead and sewed around where the hair should have stopped. And you guys, if you want to get a complete frontal, go ahead and do so. It probably would be easier for you. However, for me, this was the least expensive thing that I can get my hands on in a short amount of time at my local beauty supply store, so I went ahead and got it. But yeah, I just went ahead and sewed that down, and now I'm just going to cut the excess lace off, and this is just to make it look more realistic when I install the faux locks, to make it have that scalp appearance. So now I'm just preparing my frontal so I can start sectioning off and braiding. You guys, when I braid the hair, I'm not braiding down to the ends. I'm actually just braiding it halfway because when we get to the part of installing the faux lock, I'm going to use this braid or this section and I'm going to wrap it around the faux lock, and I want it to, you know, not have a braid wrapped around. I want it to actually be the hair so it can look more realistic, but you guys will kind of understand what I'm saying once we get to that point. Okay, y'all, so the original clip of me installing this faux lock was horrible, so I redid it. So this is me installing the faux lock, just, you know, standard installing. The only thing that I did different, because the hair is so slick, I did go ahead and double knot it. You don't have to double knot it, I just chose to. It made it a lot easier for me. It is a messy look, so I mean, it really doesn't need to be neat or anything, and it turned out great. So yeah, you guys, I'm just installing the faux lock, double knotting it, and then taking the Got2b glue spray, spraying it down to the ends, and then wrapping it around, and then sealing it by rubbing it together. So back to the regular scheduled program, you guys. Here I went ahead and sped things up by inserting the faux locks and double knotting them, and all I have to do now is just wrap the hair around the lock. This made the process a lot faster for me. So yeah, you guys, right now I'm just spraying the Got2b glue all the way to the ends and wrapping it each faux lock. So now we're going to get these baby hairs together, you guys. We're going to go ahead and trim them up and yeah, get them right. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. Like, y'all, she thinks she is cute. Like, this is so cute on me. So let me go ahead and give you guys the 360. Okay, y'all, hopefully you guys seen how long it was on me. I'm 5'7" and it's 24 inches and it hits me right above my butt. So yeah, so getting into the pros and the cons. The pros, I really enjoyed not having to wrap these locks all on my own and, you know, try to get this whole butterfly effect look. So I'm really liking that. The con that I have, if you notice, y'all, the loop is very, very tiny. Like, y'all, it's very, very tiny. And I don't know if I was supposed to, but it's like a little string thing that makes the loop right here. All you got to do is pull it down, but it's not as easy, or it wasn't as easy for me. My nails kind of like helped me because I was able to stick my nail in and kind of like pull from there. So yeah, so I end up making them bigger like this. I really wish that they would have came like this. It would have been a lot easier for me to install. A lot of my time went to trying to make this larger and find the pre-loop. So that's the only con, and it is a little bit time consuming, but other than that, like, I really like this hair. I do know that when I'm watching these videos, the Butterfly locks are a lot thicker or whatever, and these are on the thinner side. I mean, I like them. I just want to let you guys know that they are a little thin. They're not the thick kind like everybody's doing this, you know, thick butterfly lock. But yeah, you guys, I really like this hair. I mean, that's really all I have to say. So I will have everything linked in the description box below if you guys want to get your hands on this hair. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.